Hello guys. Today our 7th lecture of WordPress. Today we see how to change and customize theme in a website. Today we will learn about WordPress appearance. See how we can change the theme on our website. Today we prepare the layout of our website. We can adjust our website as we want. Let's start. To change the theme, click on the first appearance, and then on the theme. You can also download theme here. Click on the Add. Select a theme here. Click on Install. After installing, click on Active. This theme has been activated. Open the website and refresh. This theme has been activated. You can set as yourself. For that you have to click on Customize. You can change the title and tagline of the website. Change the title or tagline here. Here you can select icon. Select image and crop. Open the website and refresh. Your title and tagline have changed. By clicking on color, you can change the color of the header text and background color in the website. Change color here. Open the website and refresh. The text color of your website's header and background color have changed. After clicking on the header image, you can change the image. Select a home page here. Click on Add New Image. Select Image here. And publish. Open the website and refresh. This has changed your image. You can add social media links by clicking on social media here. Add links here. You can then adjust the sidebar by clicking on the sidebar option. Here you can increase or decrease the width of the sidebar. Here you can see everything live. Here you adjust position of the sidebar. Left to right or right to keep. If you click on left sidebar, align left, and if you click on right sidebar, align right. Here you see. Here you can adjust the color. Here you can change color of title background color. And here title color. You can adjust color as you want. Try all options. After that, click here to change the background image. Click on the Change Image. Select Image. Make a full screen here. Here is the position as you want. Click on Publish. Open website and refresh. That's it. You can create a menu by clicking on the menu here. The menu is pre-made with website. Click here if you want to recreate as you want. Here give the pages. You can give subpages by drag at some position. Click on Publish. Open website and refresh. Here is menu updated. Click on the widget for the widget. Click on Add Widget. Here Add Widget. And give title. And click on Done. This will add your widget. Here you see. Here you can adjust the home page of the website. Here's what you want to show. Show up your post or your page. You can adjust it here. After this, here is the option of Image Gallery Pro. This will help you to animate website. Here is an additional CSS option. If you know how to code CSS, you can use it. Here you see 3 options. You have the default PC view here. Click here, and you will see tablet view. If you click here, you will see mobile view here. If you have learned how to change and customize theme, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.